everyone, we are from Group 7. In this presentation, we will show you about the binary search. Before we go to the presentation, we will introduce ourselves first. Okay, my name is Ahmad Marum Jinuhono, and the second is my partners is Amalia Swastika Indra Prastia and Ramadhani Isha. Okay, next.
Thank you, Jidan. And now I will explain about binary search. Binary search, also known as half interval search, logarithmic search, or binary chop, is search algorithm that finds the position of a target value within a sort array. Binary search compares the target value to the middle element of the array. If they are not equal, the half in which the target cannot lie is eliminated, and the search continues on the remaining half, again taking the middle element to compare to the target value, and repeating this process until the target value is found. If the search ends with the remaining half being empty, the target is not in the array. How binary search works? Binary search looks for middle or median, and it will perform two comparisons and to determine whether the value you are looking for it will exist before or after it. This algorithm divides a table into two and processes only one part of table. This algorithm works by selecting a record with the middle index of the table and comparing them with the record that you want to find. If the record is lower or higher, the table is divided in half and the corresponding table in portion is recursively reprocessed. And this is example of binary search. We want to find number 6 in here. So the first step, we must find the middle. We will use formula low plus in parentheses low plus height divided by 2. In this case, the low is 0 and the height is 6. So 0 plus 0 plus 6 divided by 2. And the answer is 3. That's why number 4 became the first middle. After that, we must compare 4 and 6. And we know 4 is lower than 6. Because of that, we will use mid, min, minus 1. And then the data will change. Data will start from 0 and data will end on number 2. So again, we must use the formula 0 plus 0 plus 2, and the answer is 1. So the data number 1, it will be the new middle. As you can see on the line number 3, number 1 became the middle, and number 1 is include index 7, right? So after that, we can compare number 7, and after that, we can found number 6. Okay, next, application of binary search in algorithm. First step is to create a low integer containing the value 0 as the bottom base of the array. Then the next step, the author makes an integer height where height is the highest index that will be owned by the system in a condition. Then we create loop condition which will repeat code from 4 to step 6, and in step 5, if the condition and the element is same as mid, it will immediately execute to step 7. In step 6, if the element is less than mid, then the execution is carried out as follows. If it's height, it will execute the formula mid minus 1. If it's low, it will execute mid plus 1. And we'll loop back to step 3 until the middle is equal to element that we want to find. Next, in step 7, if net is equal higher than 0, it will print the words search element for net location. Or if you enter number that it's not in the index, it will print the word search element not found. Okay, that's all from me. This presentation will continue by Amel. This presentation will continue by Zidan. Zidan, time is yours.
Okay, next is application of binary search in Java. Okay, first of all, we create a class named Java ISAS, and in Java ISAS there is an integer containing Java ISAS. There are integer array, integer x, integer height, and integer low. And after that, the author makes a condition where if integer height more than equals integer low, it will execute the integer mid. Okay, after that, if the system finds the index in the middle of the index or array equals integer x, it will return to integer mid. Okay, the next condition is if the system finds the index in the left half, the system will execute a return to Java ISAS, and it contains that are array, x, low, and last is mid -1. Okay, and the last condition is if the system finds the index in the right half, the system will execute a return to Java ISAS, and it contains that are array, integer x, mid +1, and the last is integer height. And if the system not find index array mid equals x, the system will execute the return -1. That means like else in if else. The next is sample case of the binary search in Java. Okay, we have question that is find the index that shows where the value of a number 4 is, with array 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, the answer is first we should to write the code above this material, like class Java ISAS, integer Java ISAS, integer array, integer x, integer low, integer height, and that condition, like if height more than equals low, or if array mid equals x, and like search the right half, and the else. Okay, and after that we should write the public static void main string args, and we write Java ISAS. We want to initial Java ISAS like as a OB. Okay, and after that we write integer array like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and integer n is array length, and integer x is 4. Okay, integer result is ob dot java isas array x 0 and mean 1. And we write the condition if result equals mean 1, the system will print not found. But the else is system will print element found at index the result. Okay, in this case, the result is 4. Okay.
Next, I will explain it about advantages of binary search. 1. It eliminates half of the list from further searching by using the result of a comparison. 2. It indicates whether the element being searched is before or after the current position in the list. 3. This information is used to narrow the search. 4. For large lists of data, it works significantly better than linear search. Next, I will explain it disadvantages of binary search. 1. It employs recursive approach which requires more stack space. 2. Programming binary search algorithm is error prone and difficult. 3. The interaction of binary search with memory hierarchy, for example, caching, is poor. Next, I will explain it conclusion of binary search. The conclusion that can be drawn from this binary search paper is that the binary search algorithm is used to search for data on data or records that already exist is an ordered state. Data search. With this binary search, we can simplify human work in terms of searching for data, so that it can create a useful program. A binary search algorithm is a widely used algorithm in the computational domain. It is a fast and accurate search algorithm that can work well on both big and small datasets. A binary search algorithm is a simple and reliable algorithm to implement. With time and space analysis, the benefits of using this particular technique are evident. Next, we will open question and answer sessions. That's all for presentation. That's planning about of binary search. Thank you for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.